So, one of the main things we want to talk about in this class is the difference between weather and climate. And really getting into what those two different things mean is the point of this video. So we'll start out by talking about weather, and you can note the definition: the state of the atmosphere at any particular time and place. That means the temperature, the pressure, the wind speed, wind direction, all of those things, and many more, make up what weather is at a time and place. So it's dependent on observation. It's also always changing. So today it was very rainy. That's a weather observation. Now we define weather by observing a variety of variables: air temperature, air pressure, wind, clouds, dew point temperature, or moisture. So a lot of people talk about relative humidity. Precipitation, rain, snow, sleet, hail, a variety. And visibility, which often isn't talked about by a lot of people because it doesn't play a big role. But in aviation, it's incredibly important. And clouds, if I haven't already said that. Now, what is climate? And again, note the definition: the accumulation of daily and seasonal weather events over a long period of time. That long period of time is approximately 30 years. That's the benchmark we set, 30 years. And that's for statistical reasons and to take care of a variety of longer scale fluctuations in weather, so we're not biasing what we understand to be the climate, so we can get an accurate depiction. And it deals with both averages, so the average temperature, average wind speed, things like that, and extremes, so the maximum temperature that was ever reached at a point would be an extreme temperature, and that would be a part of climate. Now, we can look and through a variety of different scenarios and determine if they're weather or climate. So if it's raining today in Seattle, that's weather. On the other hand, if we're talking about Seattle, and Seattle is a very rainy location, we can say it's always rainy in Seattle. That would be climate. Now, there's one on this location, or on this list, that was weather when it started off. It was a weather event. The record low temperature for Vostok, Antarctica is minus 129 degrees Fahrenheit on July 21st, 1983. When that happened, it was weather. But because it's a record, it becomes climate.